everyone, welcome back. So today I bring you another haul video. Don't worry, we're starting to get close to the end. And today's Black Friday Cyber Week haul is from one of my favorite indie brands, CXC Beauty. So I bought the whole Falling Into You Again collection. So I'm going to show you each little piece of the collection. And I'll probably do a separate video for swatches and whatnot. Otherwise, this video would be hella long because it's a 21 shade palette. Anyway, you'll see. So here we go. Now, the full collection included 3 liquid lipsticks in their new formula, a new blush, a new highlighter, and an eyeshadow palette. So I'll start with the liquid lipsticks. So there's 3 liquid lipsticks. This is their new packaging, the Speakeasy liquid lipstick. So all of their new formulas that they're releasing are supposed to have more skincare benefiting ingredients, from blushes, bronzers, highlighters, eyeshadows, liquid lipsticks, everything. So multi-benefit products. So we've got 3 different liquid lipsticks. The first shade is Falling Deep. The next shade is Smoked Paprika. And then the last shade is Russet. And, I mean, isn't this new packaging, like, gorgeous? Also has the name at the top here. So let me show you all 3 next to each other, and I'll put them in order of lightest to darkest. Okay, so here we go. So this one is Smoked Paprika. This one is Russet, and this one is Falling Deep. Now, just for comparison, let me show you what the old packaging looked like. So this one's Hollywood, a classic red. So this was the old packaging, you know, very modern with the square. There we go. And then there was one limited edition from one of their spring collections that was a circular packaging, which I thought that one, I liked that packaging a lot because it fit into my makeup bag super easy. This one right here. This shade is Berry Nude. It's one of my favorite nude lipsticks. So y'all should bring this one back in the new formula. Just saying. The next 2 products are a blush and a highlighter. Pro Face Sculpt is the line that they're using for the face products now. Blush, bronze, highlight. So, outer packaging. And the ingredients are on the back of all of their packages, by the way. Also listed on the website. So this is Pumpkin Spice Blush. I love the matte black compact. This is what the shade looks like. So it's like an orange-red blush. I think it's going to look really, really nice on my skin tone. I also bought one of these for one of my best friends because she had never tried CXC Beauty before. So I'm like, I'm gonna get you a Christmas present and it's just gonna randomly show up on your doorstep. So now her and I have matching blushes. And that's my girl Shawnee. So the next one is the highlighter. And this is Fall Fling. So it's a beautiful bronze gold kind of color. Also looking like it's going to be gorgeous on my skin tone. And one of the things I love about their products is they're really pigmented, so you can use them on a wide range of skin tones depending on how much product you pick up on your brush. And now the coup de grace, the eyeshadow palette. Ta-da! Falling into you again. And you'll see why, like, I'm gonna have to do a separate video for swatches of this whole collection. So look how gorgeous this front is. And so this is a mirror right here, and when they ship their products, this is something I super appreciate. The owners are very cognizant of appropriate packaging to help minimize any potential breakage. So the mirrors come with a cushion that helps protect the mirror in shipping. So here is the eyeshadow palette, and there's an insert that has all of the shade names on there. And here's the palette live. Look how beautiful it is. Another thing I love about the products is all of the pans are magnetic, so they like to not only keep in mind people who would be, you know, the average consumer, but also makeup artists. So if you need to create a custom palette or pop in a few shades here and there to expand your range, then you're able to do so because everything is magnetic. So that is the Falling Into You Again collection from CXC Beauty. Let me know if you picked up this collection and what you think of it down below. I'll do a video in the future at some point in time with swatches of the palette, the lipstick, the blush, the highlighter, and put it all on my face. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know what to do.